Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically create a private voice channel on Discord. So you can only create this if you own the server or like they gave you the permission to like change some of the stuff that's on here, like you're the admin. So go to voice channels, create channels, and then select voice and then select private channel. It also works with text as well, but I'm just going to select voice for this one. And name the channel, for instance, like private convos or whatever. Then you're going to select next, and then you're going to add members or roles. For instance, everybody under the role princess can see that channel, and you're just going to select create channel. Now you can see it, but when there's like this locked button, the people who aren't chosen or like they don't have the role or they don't own the server, sorry, they cannot see that, but you can. So don't worry. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!